Sheikh.
Alaykum salam wa rahmatullah.
So I'm confused about how many fasts exactly I have to make up because I'm not sure when exactly I reached the age of puberty and whether I had intended to fast or not. And I don't know which fasts were invalid due to me swallowing water, and I don't know whether that was intentional or not. I am also a past OCD patient, and so this leaves me with a huge range of fasts that I may or may not have to make up. What should I do?
Well, I cannot help you in this regard. This is an issue between you and Allah Azza wa Jal, which means that you have to do your level best to reach what is approximately the correct number. If I tell you, are there 1,000 days? You said, no, that's a lot, Sheikh, too much. So I say, are they 10 days? He said, no, this is too little. What about 500 days? Still a lot. 20 days? Too little. 100 days? This is how you bargain with yourself until you reach a certain number of days where you think that, yeah, this is probably it. Give a 5 or 10 days extra just to be safe and fast every Monday and Thursday or the white days or whenever it's possible for you until you finish it with the grace of Allah Azza wa Jal.